Hi guys, so I'm going to be driving through this touch-free car wash system called Radius HT. It is manufactured by Ryko Solutions. This replaced the Vector Rapid Wash manufactured by Belanger. This is at aisle 1 gas station for NOB. Here are the two instructional signs here and here that were with the Vector Rapid Wash. This is at a gas station for NOB HILL, and this NOB HILL gas station is called aisle 1. Looks like this is the second stage of pre-soak. Wow, I love this colorway. Just for your information, I was the last customer waiting in line before the owner behind me closed the entrance of this car wash. During this coronavirus pandemic, this car wash closes at 8 p.m. while normal hours it closes at 9. Here are the air dryers that were with the Vector Rapid Wash touch-free system. Also manufactured by Belanger. One part of the number segment display is broken.